Destiny doesn't decide everything. It only gives us a little push in the right direction. We decide if it's worth fighting for, then it's worth waiting for.
Hello, mahal. Ito na yung inaantay nating araw. Masaya ako nandito mga taong gusto natin makasama sa mahalagang day na to. Tears of joy, ika nga. Kasi naudlot yung kasal natin dahil sa di inaasahang bumagsak ang oxygen ko na muntik pa ako mawala that day, but in God's great power and faith, pinalakas niya pa din ako. That day that I almost gave up while breathing hard and praying for my life to continue, not for you but for my real son too. Di ka bumitaw, di mo ko iniwanan, pinalalakas mo loob ko while at the hospital gasping sa oxygen at ICU. Pero now, here I am in front of you and all of them, still thankful and recovering. And kahit madaming nabatikos at nanira sa akin, kahit na malalang paratang na nabasa mo, still you choose to believe for who I really am and not sa fake rumors about me. Salamat sa napakabuti mong umunawa at pagkilala ng maigi sa akin, mahal.
More importantly, true, I promise to love you with faithfulness, gentleness, and humility. I will share my whole life, my heart with you, and show how deeply care for you. No matter what challenge may come in our way, kakayahan natin magkasama. With family, friends, walang susuko kahit anong mangyari. Basta na dito lang ako lagi nagmamahal sa'yo. Enjoy lang natin to, mahal ko. At mahal na mahal po kita. I love you to infinity and beyond. It was worth every tear and every smile, every slap and every kiss, every sad and a happy memory. It was worth every time I lost you just to find myself back in your arms again and again. Di magsasawa sa'yo, mahal ko.
When I didn't care for anyone but you, I swear.
O God, when creating the human race, will the man and wife should be one. Join, we pray, in a bond of inseparable love, this your servants who are to be united in the covenant of marriage.
Ang tagal kong hinintay ang araw na to. But it was all worth it. Before everything else, I thank God for this opportunity to get married this beautiful girl in front of me. As I promise to love you as Jesus loved us, I will take interest in your interest.
Lalo kita mas minahal, baby, kasi ikaw lagi yung nagturo sa akin na maging kalma at harapin ang batiko sa akin na hindi umiimik. Ikaw nagturo sa akin na maging mahinahon kasi sa dami ng ex ko na naging maldita ako, sa'yo lang talaga ako nagbago. Alam mo, mahal, buong ugali ko ng pagiging maldita na wala. Kaya salamat, mahal. You make me a better person pa talaga. I love you so much, mahal ko. And pasensya na sa lahat at ang haba.
And today, I make the most sincere promise one heart make to another. I vow to be your constant love and support, your devoted partner in life, to allow myself to grow through your remarkable love for me. Di magsasawang ipapaalala sa iyo mga bagay na nakakalimutan mo. Sarap makurutin. Kahit minsan bawal na magpuyat, pero Sabi mo, pwede pa-extend. Guys, bibi ko, ako naman itong di makatanggi sa'yo. Dahil sa sobrang mahal na mahal kitang, alam mo yan, mahal ko. Always remember, whoever is joined by God in marriage cannot be separated by men.
It is with deep, great joy and honor for me as I now pronounce Mr. and Mrs. Husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.